Today's modern classroom requires active learning and flexible instruction. Engage students, empower educators, and elevate learning outcomes with Ricoh Interactive Whiteboards from R.J. Young. Project-based learning is simplified. Easily write, draw, edit, move, and save information on these Ricoh touchscreen flat panel displays. Connect your laptop or mobile device to turn static content into engaging interactive lessons with the Windows 10-based controller. Join up to 20 devices simultaneously in multiple locations to connect with professors and classmates easily no matter where they are. Remote learning and video conferencing are simple with this new technology. To begin empowering educators and inspiring students, visit rjyoung.com/whiteboards.